Looking to upgrade your home charging setup? In this guide, we'll help you find the best electric car charger for home use, making it easier and faster to power up your EV right from the comfort of your garage. Number 1. Eviqo Electric Car Charger. The Eviqo Electric Car Charger is a standout choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their electric vehicle charging experience without the hassle of complicated installations. As a Level 2 EV charger with a 40-amp default setting, 9.6 kilowatt-hours, it charges up to 9 times faster than a standard portable charger, making it an ideal option for anyone seeking both speed and convenience. What makes this charger especially user-friendly is its plug-in charge setup. No electrician needed when connecting to a NEMA 14 to 50 outlet. For those wanting to push the limits, it can be hardwired to function as a 48-amp, 11.5 kilowatt-hours charger, though this does require professional installation and a 60A circuit. One of the standout features is its adjustable current settings, allowing users to fine-tune the output in 1A increments through the Eviqo app or via a hardware dip switch, offering a level of control rarely seen in home chargers. Safety is another major plus with the Eviqo charger. It's UL compliant and carries multiple certifications including Energy Star, ETL, and FCC, providing peace of mind to users. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it meets NEMA 4 and IP66 protection standards, ensuring durability against harsh weather. The accompanying Eviqo app is impressively designed, having been developed after feedback from over 1,800 EV owners. It allows users to set up to 3 charging schedules, optimize for off-peak energy rates, monitor live power usage, and track historical charging data. The app also benefits from regular firmware updates delivered over the air to continually improve performance and add new features. Number 2. Tesla Electric Car Charger. The Tesla Electric Car Charger, also known as the Tesla Wall Connector, is a premium home charging solution designed specifically for Tesla vehicles, offering optimal compatibility and charging performance. It is compatible with all Tesla models, including the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, providing a seamless experience for Tesla owners. This charger offers up to 44 miles of range per hour of charge, thanks to its 11.5 kilowatts output and 48 amp capability. It's important to note that the exact charging speed depends on the Tesla model and the breaker size, but overall, it delivers a fast and reliable home charging experience. One of the key features of the Tesla Wall Connector is its customizable amperage, which allows you to adjust the output based on your existing power supply. This flexibility ensures that the charger can be installed in a variety of locations, both indoors and outdoors, while supporting any output up to 48A. This makes it a versatile choice for homeowners who want to future-proof their charging setup. The Wall Connector can be easily connected to a Wi-Fi network, enabling over-the-air firmware updates to keep the charger running smoothly with continual improvements and bug fixes. Additionally, remote access control is available, allowing users to monitor and manage their charging sessions from anywhere. Number 3. Lectron Electric Car Charger. The Lectron Electric Car Charger offers an excellent solution for those who need a versatile, affordable, and portable option for home charging. This Level 1 charger operates with a standard 110V outlet, delivering 15 amps and 1.65 kilowatts of power, which is sufficient for a standard full charge overnight. It's perfect for those who don't require the rapid speeds of Level 2 chargers, but still need reliable charging capabilities at home or while traveling. The Lectron charger is a budget-friendly option for users who don't mind slower charging speeds, but appreciate the convenience of using a standard outlet. For homeowners who need more flexibility, the Lectron 15-amp charger is compatible with a wide range of electric vehicles, including popular models from BMW, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, and Chevy, thanks to its J1772 compatibility. It's an ideal choice for those with vehicles that aren't Tesla-branded, though Tesla owners can use this charger with an SAJ1772 adapter, sold separately. The charger is FCC and ETL certified, ensuring its safety with overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. It also carries an Energy Star certification for efficiency and features an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, making it durable enough for outdoor use in various weather conditions. Number 4. Evdance Electric Car Charger. The Evdance Electric Car Charger is an excellent option for users looking for a reliable, portable, and flexible charging solution for their electric vehicle. It offers both Level 1 and Level 2 charging options, with a NEMA 6-20 plug for 16A 240V charging, 3.68 kilowatts, and a NEMA 6-20 to 5-15 adapter for 12A 120V charging, 1.44 kilowatts. This dual compatibility allows users to choose the charging speed that suits their needs, whether it's a faster 240V charge at home or a more gradual 120V charge when traveling. The charger's 25-foot cable length provides the flexibility to position it where it's most convenient, whether in the garage or driveway. Evdance charger is made of durable, high-grade materials, ensuring long-lasting performance even in challenging conditions. With an IP66 rating for dust and water resistance, it can withstand exposure to the elements, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. Additionally, the charger's intelligent control box continuously monitors the charging process, providing added safety with overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. The charger's LED display provides real-time status updates and error notifications, ensuring users are always informed about the charging process. While the Evdance charger is compatible with most major electric vehicles, including models from Ford, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Audi, and Nissan, it's important to note that it is not compatible with BMW vehicles or Tesla models without a separate J1772 to Tesla adapter. With a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, Evdance provides peace of mind for users. Whether you're charging at home or on the go, the Evdance electric car charger offers flexibility, reliability, and durability at an affordable price. Number 5. Veiphlox electric car charger. The Veiphlox electric car charger is a high-performance Level 2 charging solution designed to provide fast and efficient charging for electric vehicles at home. This 40-amp charger offers impressive charging speeds, delivering 30 to 40 miles of range per hour, significantly faster than standard Level 1 chargers. With its 240-volt output and maximum power of 9.6 kilowatts, it's an excellent choice for homeowners who want to charge their electric vehicle quickly and efficiently, saving time and reducing wait times between trips. The charger is built to withstand extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and features a durable UL-certified 25-foot cable and an ETL/UL approved 14 to 50 plug for added safety. One of the standout features of the Veiphlox charger is its rugged build, with IP65/NEMA 5 waterproof, dustproof, and fire-resistant housing. This makes it suitable for installation in both indoor and outdoor environments, giving users peace of mind regardless of the weather. The Veiphlox charger is universally compatible with all J1772 EVs and PHEVs, including models from Ford, GM, Volkswagen, Nissan, and Audi. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.